A man who allegedly murdered a resident of Sagolban Salam Laikai in Imphal West was arrested by Imphal West police from Basikong last evening after absconding 16 long years. The murder accused Ningombam Ibomcha of Basikong Kongba Irong is wanted by Manipur police after he allegedly shot dead one RK Sanajauba of Sagolban Salam Laikai in 2004. Former Chief Minister of Manipur, Okram Ibobi, said that in a democratic society, both the ruling and the opposition parties should meticulously discuss all the state's critical issues. Addressing media at his Babupara quarter, Imphal today, Ibobi also appealed to all the opposition political parties to take part in tomorrow's special assembly session and discuss the pros and cons of inner line permit system implemented in the state. Langthabal Kendra Widows Welfare Association organized a distribution function of 6th educational financial assistance for the children of widows of Langthabal constituency today. The function was held at Lilong Chajing Mairenkong Community Hall, Thoubal district. Financial assistance was distributed to 494 people at the event. Marking the 60th Foundation Day of Naharol Sahitya Premi Samiti, a seminar on the theme Manipurgi Sahitya da Kangzam Padmakumar was held today at Manipur Jawaharlal Nehru Dance Academy, Imphal. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam was also present at the event. The third Guru Ningsing Mana 2020 and first Guru Ningombam Ibobi Ningsing Mana 2020 were conferred on Temba Singh and Ketrimayum Mangi Singh during a function at Ningombam Lairenzau Center of Pung, Khongman Zone 5 today. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister and Senior NCP leader Ajit Pawar has got the Finance and Planning Department, while his party colleague Anil Deshmukh is the new Home Minister of the state, according to a media report. As the death of Major General Qasem Soleimani, head of Iran's elite Quds force, marks an unprecedented escalation in the standoff between Washington and Tehran, India found itself in the crosshairs amid the current crisis after US President Donald Trump blamed the deceased leader for orchestrating a spat of terror attacks, including one in Delhi. The 10-day-long Youth Adventure and Water Sports Festival concluded today at the complex of Manipur Mountaineering Institute (MMI), located at Lamdan of Churachandpur district. The festival began on December 27th last under the aegis of Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association (MMTA). The first T20 international cricket match between India and Sri Lanka will play at Barsapara Stadium of Guwahati this evening.